Hi, this is Dr. Subhatra. In this session, I am going to discuss about the airport planning. So, it is the Airport Authority of India controls the overall air navigation within the India. It is formed in the year 1995. It is formed by merging the two authorities. That is, one is National Airport Authority and one is International Airport Authority of India. Its main function is to control and manage the airspace extending beyond the territory limits, to design, develop, and to operate the domestic and international airports. And it is responsible for the construction and management of the facilities. The main functions are the development of cargo ports and facilities, provisions of the passenger facilities, operational area strengthening, visual aid provision, and navigational aid, that is, for example, radar system. This is the picture of an front view of an aircraft. From edge to edge, it is called as a edge to edge of the wing, it is called as a wingspan, and the distance between the both the wheels is called as a wheel thread or track. From the nose to this is the nose. So from this nose to the tail, we'll call it as a length, and this is the height. The front wheel, we'll call it as a nose gear, and the back wheel is a main gear, and the distance between both these is a wheelbase. So for we need the minimum turning radius for each and every aircraft. So it depends upon the propulsion, that is the type of engine. It may be a piston engine or it may be a jet engine. If it is a piston engine, it is a most conventional method. Okay, jet engine means it can move on a greater height. So based upon the engine, the speed limit varies. For the piston engine, the speed limit is 250 to 750 km per hour, and for the ramjet it is in the mid stage, and for the rocket it is 4600 km per hour is the speed limit. So piston engine will flow under lower altitude, and turbojet under low to high altitude, and ramjet under middle altitude, and rocket jet under the outside atmospheres. Coming to the size of aircraft, one of the important aspect is not just only the main body is considered here, the overall size along with the wing space has to be considered. Only then it will be able to turn within the provided space. So based upon the wheel configuration, the load transfer mechanism will be. So if it is a single wheel main gear, the load transfer will be in this area. So accordingly we can design our payment. Then coming to the minimum circling radius, it depends upon the type of aircraft, air traffic volume, and also the weather condition, and also about the airspeed, the speed of aircraft in air, which that is related to the medium. It is 2% lower than the actually indicated speed is 2% lower than the actual true speed. Then capacity of the aircraft is how much number of passengers or the cargo it can handle. Noise means how much sound it is creating or the disturbance created during the takeoff and landing operations. Then vortices at the tail end. Vortices form at the tail end when moving at a higher speed. It has a tendency to break tail if there are heavy wind movements are there. Okay, jet blast. If this aspect belongs to the aircraft having only jet engine, the blast will come out of the jet engine at the rear of the aircraft when it is providing a force for the movement. It will create more amount of noise. Then coming to the fuel spillage. Spillage of the fuel occurs when the engine is shut down or losing its speed. Even we can find the spillage in our four-wheelers and two-wheelers. So what I would like to say is these are the characteristics of an aircraft, what has to be taken into consideration when we are going to design an airport. Okay, so this is all about the airport planning. So the characteristics what we have to consider in an aircraft are engine type, propulsion, size, turning radius, circling radius, weight of an aircraft, wheel configuration, speed, noise, and the vortices at the tail end, jet blast, and fuel spillage. With all these things, we can design an airport. I have taken all the contents from this reference.